Alright, what to do, homies? Yeah, let me flip this fucking camera shit that way. Alright, first I'll start off with this fucking sunset that's happening right now. This is part 5, I guess. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what the fuck I was able to find. I found this dope ass shit. I'll probably use it for that side of this fucking little dam or whatever. But oh, there's 2 of them. Sweet. So I'll use these 2 to fucking cover, that shit, that metal fucking, I think it's a piece of cattle guard. I don't know. I found it in our pile of shit. That pile, way over there. That's funny. The color today isn't coming from this side. It's coming from that side. Anyway. So, I fucking found these 3 stumps. And, with some monkeying around with these fucking paved stones, I was able to get it almost even, almost level or whatever. But it's going to be as high as this stump here, which is 20 inches tall. Not quite as tall as I was looking. I wanted 2 feet, but fuck it. This is just going to be the shallow end. So, yeah, I'm in the process of putting all this shit up. As you can see, I'm going to fucking, tomorrow at least, put down one of these fucking first layers. These shits. And I don't really know why there's 2 of them. I'm guessing maybe it's 10 by 10. So 2 of them will make 20 by 20, I guess. I'm assuming. So I'll be able to map out a little bit better, how circle I want it to go, or the general layout of it. But it should be a foot longer on this side, because this beam is 18 feet long. So if I put a foot on this side and a foot on the other, that'll give me the 12 inches of extra liner that I'm going to need to, I'm going to just anchor into the side of this hill with fucking rocks. I'm going to have to dig like a fucking, I don't even know what to call it, a fucking plateau of sorts, I guess, all the way across, and then around behind this spot. When I measured it, right here was 20 feet. So I'm going to remove all this shit with a shovel and try to make like a deep end, quote unquote. But I can tell that this hill right here is going to need to be excavated a bit. Yeah, probably all the way to fucking here even. Yeah. I'm going to have to fucking get to work with the shovel hardcore. Probably tomorrow and fucking for a couple of days. But first, I wanted to make sure that the water is going to be able to fucking push up against this without it going anywhere. And I do believe I have achieved that. Mainly with this main stump. This big motherfucker, man. It was hard to get it over here, but I know why now, because I need it to fucking keep this dam essentially from, going anywhere. And I got a big ass black pipe today that I can use as the spill, which I'll probably put on this end. Figure out how to fucking just probably put it underneath. Just fucking, it's like whatever you want to call it. Just dig out fucking however much dirt I need to get the pipe in. And then if it gets too full, the pipe will probably come up down to about here, so the water can just drain out and not overflow. I think that's the idea. Yeah, it's pretty fucking sturdy. Yeah, that shit's fucking solid. That ain't going nowhere. So, yeah, I'm just going to, I don't know, build like a sort of half-ass pyramid up to the bottom of this thing. And then what I was thinking is since this thing isn't fucking resting on all this shit that I'm putting up against it, I can just lift it up the 1/4 inch to slide the liner underneath, to kind of sandwich it between this walk fucking way, I guess is what I'd call it, and the stumps, so that the liner doesn't, come loose or whatever. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta fucking monkey with it, but I don't want to do that until I get all this dug out, because I need to be able to lay the liner down and then have it be formed. These are per the instructions for the liner, and just general common sense, I guess. I don't know. It's coming along though. So this is part 5, and not so much of a sunset. It went away. Y'all saw it though. It was short, but it's kind of on that side now. So yeah, this is coming along, but it looks like I'm starting to realize I'm gonna have to do a lot of fucking digging. But luckily, as you can see, it wasn't that hard. So that's why I need to do it during this week and the following week, because it's gonna rain, and keep this dirt or soil easily, dug, I guess. But I gotta cut a fucking line going all the way across to there to the fucking hose, all the way around. Basically, I gotta make the bathtub bigger, and I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with all that dirt. Maybe I might use that dirt to make this abutment here a little bit more pronounced. So yeah, all right, the ideas are coming. So I need to take away dirt from here, and I'll move it over here and over there for sure, and just stack it up until it's like where I need it to be. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So this is part 5, everybody. Late on.